Took forever. Southbound. CSX. It's Saturday. I'm at Whittier Street. Don't know where it is. What is it? 10:30. Perfect weather. Beautiful day. Perfect weather. August 2nd. There's the lights. I like sitting right here because the light come around that curve. Single engine. What the heck could this be? They usually don't have a DPU. Come on, buddy, give me a horn. Come on, I know you want to do it. Chugging along, 851. That was loud. Very loud. Look at that, a garden gnome. Springs are pretty compressed on all of them. It's part of the gnome. Noisy train. Could be 314, could be 256, could be none of those. One locomotive. Wow. If he's long, you'll see him slow down because he's going into the yard. Quiet, I'm trying to talk. He's going into the yard, so he should slow down. And scanner's too far away, I can't. I wonder what are those? Why do they? There's an answer. That really sounded good. Glad I got to do that. so. Must be pretty long. Didn't hear his horn from Moeller Street. The taker was venting. Oh, look here, a little miniature container. Now, how big are those? Oh, yeah, that's different. Are those 20-footers? 22, they all start with 22. Well, there's 4 on that one. What in the world? Oh, explosives. Oh. Ammunition, baby. Wonder where it's going. Wow. I don't think I've ever seen ammunition before. Or didn't know what I was looking at. Wow. Wonder where they're going. That'd be cool to know. I mean, now they're in deep wells. Well, what do you call them? Versus the flatbed. See, the flatbed's got 4. Wow. Deep wells only got 2 and they're 40 foot. Well, how long are those cars? Wow. Is that longer than a auto rack car? Woohoo! That's long. If there's a way you can figure out. Is that 80 foot if there's 40 of them? Plus the car's another 10 feet. 90 foot. And what's a rack? It's making noise like a rack. Racks are 93 feet or 96 feet. So that's about the same. Yeah, he's slowing down for the... Definitely going into the yard. Wow, this was a cool one. Yeah, baby. And it took forever. Maybe if we got some traffic going, we got for military use only. Well, I got, of course. Fred is blue. He says hello. We say hello, Fred. Yeah, he's gonna go down here and stop because it's too damn long to get in the yard. Okay, let's go throw a match. That probably wouldn't be a good idea. Wow. I wonder how they... There you go, 314. Wait a minute, yeah, 314 southbound, 313 is northbound. I'll give you a call. Give me a call. Give me a call. I want to know what you're doing. So if it's 314, if it is, I holler at you. That's a lot of fireworks. Talk to me. Talk. I'd say the front end of the train was just entering the yard. Wow, I wish our defect detectors told us the lengths or the number of axles. They don't. Okay, if he moves, I'll be back.